Hey guys, it's me Tom from Tomjets, and today we are in Altheim and have a lot of fun with our tomjets. And today I want to show you the squall70. So finally I made it just in time for the weekend to be ready for some fun. You see, I equipped this with some nice lights, and of course it comes with the vector control, and of course you can buy the decals as well. And one nice fancy gadget which we see here is the bungee hook. It's completely included in the kit, and also the bungee launching sets for inexperienced hand launcher which prefer to go the safe way. So let's have fun. Yes? Bist du deppert?